In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Facebook Messenger notification. We will walk through each tap together so you can quickly spot any new messages waiting for you. First, open Messenger. On most phones, you will find the Messenger app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. The icon is usually a speech bubble with a lightning bolt in the middle. When you tap it, the app will launch and you will land on the main Messenger screen. If Messenger asks you to sign in, just use the same Facebook account you normally use, and once you are in, you should see a list of your conversations. Next, tap the Chats tab. At the bottom of the screen, you will see different options, and Chats is usually on the left side. Go ahead and tap on Chats so it is highlighted. When you are on the Chats tab, the screen should show a vertical list of people and groups you have messaged recently. Each entry usually shows a profile picture, the name, and a short preview of the last message sent or received. Now look for conversations with a blue dot or bold text. These are the visual clues Messenger uses to mark unread messages. A small blue dot next to a chat usually means there is at least one message you have not opened yet. Bold text on the name or the message preview also indicates that the conversation has new content. Take a moment to scroll up and down so you do not miss any chats that might be lower in the list. Beginners sometimes think a chat has no new messages because the blue dot is small, so check both the dot and the bold style of the text. If a conversation looks normal with no blue dot and regular thin text, that usually means you have already read everything in that chat. After that, open the conversation to read the new message. Tap once on the chat that has the blue dot or bold text. The conversation screen will open and you will see the full thread of messages with that person or group. The newest unread messages usually appear at the bottom, just above the text box where you can type. As soon as you open the chat, the blue dot disappears and the bold style in your chats list will change back to normal. That is how you can tell Messenger now considers those messages read. If you go back to the Chats tab after reading, you will see that conversation no longer stands out as unread. You have just learned how to open Messenger, use the Chats tab, spot blue dots and bold text, and read your new Facebook Messenger notifications. If this helped you finally track down your missing messages, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it too, and feel free to subscribe for more simple guides.